Drinking celery juice for just 7 days can completely transform your health, and I'm about to show you how. You've probably seen it all over social media, people raving about the benefits of celery juice. From wellness influencers to health experts, it seems like everyone is jumping on the celery juice bandwagon. But is it really worth all the hype? In recent years, celery juice has become a staple in many health-conscious circles. Its popularity can be attributed to its impressive nutritional profile, which includes vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and calcium. Celery juice is also incredibly hydrating, making it a great way to replenish fluids and support overall health. Additionally, celery has natural detox properties that can help support liver function and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. The high water content in celery juice makes it very refreshing and easy to digest. Some people swear by its ability to support digestive health, reducing bloating and improving nutrient absorption. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in celery juice may also help to protect against chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Furthermore, celery juice has been touted for its potential skin benefits, with some users reporting improved complexion and reduced acne. So, what are the pros and cons of drinking celery juice? On the plus side, it's rich in nutrients, easy to digest, and may support digestive health. However, some people find the taste unpalatable, and it can cause digestive upset in some individuals. Others may experience bloating or gas due to the high fiber content. It's also worth noting that celery juice can be quite expensive, especially if you're purchasing it pre-made from a health food store. Compared to other popular health juices, celery juice holds its own. Green juice, for example, is also packed with nutrients, but it often contains a wider variety of ingredients, like kale and spinach. Beet juice, on the other hand, is high in nitrates, which can help support blood flow and lower blood pressure. However, celery juice is unique in its high water content and natural detox properties. I decided to put celery juice to the test and drink it for 7 days straight. In that time, I noticed a significant increase in energy and a reduction in bloating. My skin also looked clearer, and I felt more regular. Of course, everyone's experience may vary, but I was pleasantly surprised by the results. So, does celery juice live up to the hype? In my opinion, it's definitely worth trying, especially if you're looking for a natural way to support digestive health and boost energy. However, it's not a magic bullet. It's just one tool in a broader toolkit of healthy habits. If you're considering giving celery juice a try, I recommend starting with a small amount and gradually increasing your intake to allow your body to adjust. If you've had experience with celery juice, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other health-related videos where I dive deeper into topics like nutrition and wellness. Thanks for watching.